Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most juicy, tender, smothered pork chop that is swimming in this delicious gravy. If you're not licking the plate, just know you didn't make them right. Anyways, let's get started. I'm starting with 4 bone-in pork chops, as you can see. When you see they have fat like this, just go ahead and make a little slit just like this. That way, when we start cooking them, they don't curl up and looking, weird. So I like to give it a little cut just like this. And also, I'm going to just use my knife to poke it just like this. That way, the seasoning can get in there. So every bite of this pork chop can be nice and flavorful. Flip it over and do the same thing. And once you're done, you're going to pat it dry once you're done. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil on the pork chop, rub it in. In my seasoning, I'll leave it below for you, but I'm using a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper, dry parsley, and Creole seasoning, okay? Mix it up before I add it to my pork chops. I'm using a little bit of that, not a little bit, half of it. And the remaining, I'll use it for the gravy. Just rub that in just like this. Once you're done, you should have the pork chop looking nicely well seasoned just like this. Now you're going to grab your pork chop, add it to your flour just like this. Flip it over. I like to do this ahead of time. Place it here, okay? I'm just gonna quickly dab it in the flour, just like that. And place it here. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil to my cast iron. I don't like to use too much oil. I know some people really deep fry this, but I like to use just a little bit, just like this. Place it in here. Is it hot? Yes. Place it in here just like that. Going to fry it. I don't think you need that much oil. Then it's gonna be like waste of oil, okay? I'm going to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll flip it over. It is time to flip the pork chops over. They are looking gorgeous, as you can see, nice and flat. That's what happened when you cut the fat. Ooh, and it smells good too. Perfect. We're gonna let this go for another 5 minutes. Then we'll remove it so we can work on the gravy. All right, now it's time to remove my pork chops. As you can see, they are looking absolutely mouth-watering. Just remove them. They're not cooked yet now. We're going to set that aside so we can make the gravy. To the same skillet, you're going in with a little bit of flour. Not so much. A little bit of garlic. And also, I'm going in with my onion and bell peppers. Going to fry that for a little bit. Woo. I didn't have any green bell peppers, so I added red bell peppers. But green bell peppers is better. It has like a distinct flavor in a good way. Once you're done frying this up, you're going in with your chicken broth. Pour that in slowly. Keep stirring. Woo. Keep stirring that in. Going to add the remaining of the seasoning right in, just like that. And then now I'm adding my pork chops in here. Quick, easy, super flavorful, okay? Just place that in. Ooh. Let it simmer, okay, for about, I'll say for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's fully cooked. Let me cover it. Our pork chops are ready. You're looking gorgeous. Ooh. tell you, the smell alone is making me hungry. Y'all, let's try it, okay? Ooh. This is the only smothered pork chop you need, okay? Save it, use it. Absolutely delicious. Trust me when I say this is the only pork chop recipe you need. It's so flavorful, so tender, and it's absolutely amazing. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I see that you guys love my short videos, so I hope you enjoy this one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next amazing recipe. Bye guys.